Will you get inside and stop dragging it all over? Get in it. Get inside the crate. No, get in. You're getting a bath. Let's go. I can't leave. Oh, God, no. Look at you. Oh, my gosh. Get in. Kobe Bryant. Hey, Kobe. Get inside Kobe Bryant. Look at me. Kobe. Look at me, man. I'm talking to you. What are we doing? Kobe, please get in the crate. Stop blowing yourself and go inside. This is not the time for that. Oh my gosh. What the hell? You got a Charlie horse? Get in! Look at my floor! Oh my gosh. Look at your little nasty feet prints all over my floor. Seriously? What? It's urgent like I know I feel just like that. Like seriously. Whew. I know it's urgent. It is. Can you go inside please? Can you please stop? You have toys. Stop playing with the actual. Stop dragging it around the room. Are you serious right now? Where are you going? You're gonna be in Daddy's boots. Move. Why is his boot knocked over? Did you do that? I'm sure you did. Where are you? Are you taking the crate outside? You're almost to the door. Can I get you to get inside the crate? What is this about? Okay, you're killing me. You're killing me. You're killing your mother right now, Kobe. You are killing your mother. Back with the blowing yourself. You got dry leaves all on my floor from your nasty feet. Here, go outside. Go, leave. Be free. Ugh.